Is this the most beautiful 50 square meters apartment in the world? In the heart of Paris, we discover a masterclass in spatial alchemy. This isn't just a renovation, it is Parisian Luxury Reimagined. By blending the ornate soul of Haussmann architecture with the surgical precision of Scandinavian minimalism, this home proves that grandeur isn't about scale, it's about the soul of the design. Join us as we step inside a space where every millimeter tells a story of elegance and efficiency. The journey begins at the limestone facade, where history meets the modern edge. The exterior DNA is defined by a singular, breathtaking arched window, framed in sleek black steel that slices through the traditional stone. This juxtaposition sets the stage for the interior, a high-contrast world of dark Parisian Scandi. The entrance, marked by a heavy forest green door and black marble steps, whispers of the exclusivity hidden within. It is a bold architectural statement that commands the street. Micro hook, but the true magic happens once you cross the threshold. Step into the living room, where the efficiency of built-in furniture achieves sculptural beauty. The reimagined Parisian aesthetic is immediate, classic herringbone floors grounded by a forest green velvet seating arrangement. A massive, floor-to-ceiling wall mirror acts as a secondary lung for the room, inhaling natural light from the arched window and exhaling a sense of infinite space. Black marble side tables provide a sharp, luxurious contrast to the soft light. The master bedroom is an exercise in cozy sophistication. Perched atop the mezzanine, the bed is nestled within a custom alcove of forest green millwork. Large mirrors serve as a reflective headboard, effectively doubling the visual depth of the sleeping quarters. The lighting is deliberate and high contrast, using warm LED strips to highlight the textures of linen and marble, creating a cocoon-like atmosphere that feels both expansive and remarkably private. In the kitchen, maximal efficiency takes on a moody, dramatic form. Custom cabinetry in deep forest green provides a rich saturation that feels both organic and high-end. These units are topped with heavy-veined black marble, flowing seamlessly from the countertop into a full-height backsplash. The lack of visible hardware emphasizes the clean Scandinavian lines, while the integrated appliances disappear into the architecture, leaving only a sleek, polished workspace. The mezzanine is a triumph of vertical intelligence. To save space without sacrificing style, a minimalist oak staircase rises toward the ceiling, ingeniously doubling as a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf. This built-in philosophy allows the 50 square meters footprint to breathe. The black steel handrails offer a sharp geometric contrast against the warm wood, leading the eye upward to a private sanctuary that feels detached from the bustling city streets below. The bathroom is a jewel box of black marble. Floor-to-ceiling stone creates a monolithic, high-contrast environment that feels incredibly premium. A vanity unit in the signature forest green provides the only pop of color, while a large arched mirror, mimicking the home's windows, adds a sense of architectural continuity. It is a compact space that feels vast, utilizing clean Scandinavian fixtures to maintain a sharp, uncluttered, and ultramodern aesthetic. The front yard is a curated Parisian street-side patio that serves as a transition from public to private. Black marble pavers create a sharp ground plane, contrasted by lush forest green planters that echo the interior palette. A single, minimalist Scandinavian bench sits beneath the glow of the large arched window, offering a moment of reflection. The high-contrast morning light creates dramatic shadows against the stone, embodying the elegance of the city's reimagined soul. Ascend to the private rooftop terrace, where the 50 square meters DNA reaches the sky. The layout mirrors the interior's efficiency, featuring built-in outdoor lounge furniture upholstered in forest green. A central black marble fire pit serves as a focal point, while minimalist glass railings ensure the view of the Parisian skyline remains unobstructed. It is a breathtaking extension of the living space, proving that luxury is not confined by four walls, but defined by the horizon. Six. Working room. The working room is a masterclass in the working-from-home era. Tucked into a quiet corner, a floating oak desk extends from the wall, framed by deep green storage that hides all clutter. A side wall mirror reflects the black marble flooring, ensuring the nook never feels confined. It is a space designed for deep focus, where the reimagined Parisian geometry creates a sense of order, blending productivity with the undisputed luxury of the home's DNA. The backyard is a hidden, narrow courtyard garden, a secret lung for the apartment. Vertical garden walls in deep forest green provide a lush, textured backdrop against black marble stepping stones. To solve the challenge of narrowness, a large arched mirror is mounted on the rear wall, creating an illusion of infinite greenery. It is a quiet, shaded retreat where high-contrast natural light filters through a minimalist trellis, offering a serene escape from urban life. This apartment is a testament to the power of intentional design. By embracing bold colors, built-in efficiency, and the dark Parisian Scandi aesthetic, 50 square meters has been transformed into a world-class residence. It proves that luxury is not a matter of size, but a matter of vision. This is the new standard for urban living, Parisian luxury, beautifully reimagined. Thank you for joining us on this tour.